Now, ladies and gentlemen, bringing on his opponent to the blue corner from Gilgit-Baltistan, Usman Wazeer!
Here comes the Asian boy, 19 years old, making his professional debut. Fights under Amir Khan, a legend in these parts. I gotta say, watching him at the open workout was incredible. The hands on this guy and the support that he already has, making his professional debut tonight, acting like a true champion already.
A lot of pressure on this kid, following in Amir Khan's footsteps. Got Prince Nassim looking on, so he's eager to put on a good show tonight.
Look at this show behind him. Pakistan is in the house. He is ready to play. I'm very excited for this fight. I got to talk to him a little bit about that pressure, fighting under Amir Khan and how that feels, and all he had to say was he felt honored and very, very fortunate to represent his country.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 rounds, we go to the scorecard. Judge 1 ruled in at 39-38 in favor of Usman. Judge 2 ruled in at 37-37, declaring a tie. And Judge 3 ruled in favor of 40-38, declaring your winner by majority decision to Usman Usman now makes his first professional record with 1 win by majority decision.
Usman, you must feel like you're on top of the world right now. I gotta say, I love the energy that you two brought to the table. I have your coach with us today, and if you could have Amir Khan, if you'd like to join us. And we're gonna have Amir translate for this warrior right here. Could we please have a round of applause for the legendary Amir Khan?